Hi children, today we are going to look at our universe. We are going to look at beyond the earth. What can you see? When you see universe, what is it? You said universe. What is this universe we are talking about? The universe is everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure, detect. It includes living planets, stars, light, everything. So when we talk about universe, it is everything. Everything that includes the things that we can touch, what we can feel, we can sense, we can feel the air, measure, detect. Now, this universe includes living things, all planets, stars, lights, clouds, everything. So, what does it include when we say universe? Living things. Living things. All living things. When we talk about universe. All planets. All the planets that we know and that we do not know. Then all the stars we see and we do not see. Stars. And then the light, all kinds of light we see in the sky. Some with the naked eye, some with the telescope. Then what else you see in the sky? Clouds, different types of clouds, different kinds of clouds. So that is the universe. All living things, all planets, all stars, all the lights, and all the clouds. All these together and more make up our precious universe. Now, next we go into solar system. So that is the universe. Then we have solar system. Now, what about the solar system? The solar system, what does it include? The solar system includes the sun. The sun, the most important thing in the middle, okay? The sun, earth, the earth. What is solar system? The earth and all planets, all the planets that we know and we do not know, all the planets, the earth and the sun and all the planets that we discovered, that we didn't discover, everything. Now what happened? They go around the sun. So now all these, the earth and all the planets, what do? They go around the sun. The sun is the stationary one. There are 8 planets in our solar system and one is the dwarf planet. So what did we learn? There are 8 planets known to us and there is one dwarf that was, but it's not a real planet. So we call it a dwarf planet. And that all makes up the solar system. Now, what about the sun? Let's look at the sun. Now, what is the sun? The sun is about 5 million years old. What is the age of the sun? 5 million. 5 billion, sorry, not million, is more than that. 5 billion years old. 5 billion years. The sun is 5 billion years old and and is our nearest star. Sun is our nearest star. Sun itself is a star. It's a nearest star, is our sun. Now, it is made up of hot gases. The sun is made up of hot gases. Now, what about the sunlight? The sunlight. They say the sunlight to reach the earth, it takes 8 minutes. To reach the sunlight, to travel to the earth, it takes 8 minutes. 8 minutes to reach the earth. Now, we said the sun is our nearest star. There are many stars. They say there are many stars in the universe, more than the grains of sand on earth. So, if earth is God, all the beaches, if you collect all the sand, but the number of stars is much more than that. We said the sunlight reaches on the surface of the earth within 8 minutes. Now, they say earth, it is made up of rock, but the Jupiter is made up of gases. So what are we learning today? We are talking about the universe. We are talking about universe, and what is universe? What does it make up? The living thing, the planet, all the stars, all the lights, all the clouds, everything together make up the universe. Now, what about solar system? The sun is in the middle. There are the earth and all the 8 planets. They go around the earth, they around the sun, and that is called the solar system. We have total 9 planets, but one is a dwarf planet. Now, next one is the sun, the most important, the nearest star to earth. What about the sun? The sun is 5 billion years old, and it is our nearest star. It's full of hot gases, and then they say the sunlight reaches the earth in 8 minutes. It takes 8 minutes for the sunlight to touch the earth.